When I talk to patients at the medical center about diabetes and weight management, one of their biggest challenges is how to eat a better breakfast.
So let's talk about why breakfast matters.
Should we rise and shine with a traditional hearty breakfast of eggs, sausage, biscuits, and gravy?
Well, that might be okay every once in a while, but the best kind of breakfast is one that is balanced.
So what is a balanced breakfast?
So a balanced meal contains carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates, otherwise known as carbs, are found in sugars and starches and fiber. They're things like biscuits and potatoes, but they're also found in whole grains and vegetables. Proteins are things like meats, cheese, eggs, beans, and soy, and fats are found in oils, nuts, and fried foods.
So it sounds like biscuits and gravy would not be a balanced meal because it is high in carbohydrates and fat and low in protein and fiber.
Well, you are exactly right. Now, the My Plate, which is offered by the U.S. Department of Agriculture, is an easy way to help you make balanced food choices. So let's make some egg muffins. We'll be adding spinach and tomatoes and some fresh herbs that will give us some flavor and fiber.
And fiber is your best friend, especially if you have diabetes. If you are trying to shed some pounds, it can also help you feel full, can help reduce blood sugar spikes, and it will improve your digestion.
And it's not just about what you eat, but also about when you eat. Taking overnight fast of 14 hours can really help your body to rest and digest. That in turn will improve your sleep, which is beneficial for the management of diabetes.
So the ideal breakfast contains a variety of vegetables and fiber-rich carbohydrates. If eggs aren't your cup of tea, try oatmeal or plain yogurt with fresh fruit, some little nuts and seeds for a really satisfying wake-up call.
So thank you so much for joining us today, and stick around as we'll be making some egg muffins, and let's get cooking.